Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Mac OS X and Windows 7 on your computer by dual booting. So what you're going to need is something called iBoot, which is your bootloader. Click this first one. You're going to want to click Downloads. Log in. Why does this have to be so complicated? I don't know. Complicated, I don't know. Oh my god. Sorry, this is going to be a quick video because I'm using my sister's phone and she always texts me, so. Go to download software. Open iBoot in a new tab. And then get multi-beast for Snow Leopard. Then download them by clicking download, and then you're done with that. Now we need to go to Mac OS X. Wait, no, go to iAccess website. You need BitTorrent for this, so download BitTorrent. Go to iAccess releases and get S3. Click it. Click download iAccess S3 version 2. Click the magnet and then download it with that. Now you need to burn everything that you downloaded to a disk after they're done downloading. So once you've done that, then we can get started. After a few notes, so this will reset your computer. You will need Ethernet after you've done this, or you might get you need to get a Wi-Fi adapter from Walmart or Target or Best Buy, Amazon, eBay, something like that. And that's all. So yeah, I'll get back to you after this is done.